Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast. Hope you're doing well. Hey, a bunch of things going on tonight, but hey, we just got back from the mix, and I just wanted to say that we had a blast. A bunch of us, a dozen of us, went up this past weekend to the MIX in Greer, South Carolina, Greenville, Greer, Spartanburg area, and drove the track and met a bunch of our friends from other chapters all over the country, the X chapter, the I chapter, the M chapter, and just had a blast. A lot of good food, a lot of good friendship, fellowship, and a lot of good driving events, both on the track and off the track. So just had a blast. Hope you can go next year. A really good time, really good time, and safe time. A lot of things on our calendar. I'll get right to it because I want to cap off with a couple of other things tonight. On the 3rd, Sarasota Cars and Coffee. I'll be there. The several of us going to go up for our Cars and Coffee in Sarasota. Lachlan will have our donuts and coffee, and we'll be sliding in there. On the 3rd and the 4th is our autocross, part of our track event program at Gulf Coast Autocross. Hubert, the guys will be out there. It's a 2-day event. If you haven't been, just want to go check it out, let us know. We'll show you how to get in touch. It's on our website, so you can figure all that out. On the 4th is our Port Charlotte Punta Gorda breakfast. John, Irwin, the guys put together that breakfast up there, and well attended. So that's on the 4th. On the 10th is the Jacksonville Caffeine Octane. Kebblecore, Al, Gary, all the guys up there. What a neat, I'm gonna find my way to Jacksonville one weekend. Probably the same weekend I find my way to Gainesville and up in that general direction to Mary Beth's locations. But you gotta go check these out. In the Southland Cars and Coffee is there too, and I think that's John's Cars and Coffee up in the Tallahassee area. On the 15th is the monthly lunch. I believe that is at Ford's Garage. I think that's in Punta Gorda. Correct. Check down below, but that's a combination luncheon on a Thursday with the FSC and the Z group together. So check that out. On the 15th, 13th, 14th, we're leaving for the group of us that are going to go on the Mountain Drive 3 event. I think there's about 50 of us heading up to Greer, South Carolina to do the Performance Center all over again. We fell in love with this past weekend. We're going to go do it again. A ton of fun. And then we're heading up to Western North Carolina, Maggie Valley in the area, to do a bunch of drives, dinners, concerts, and those kind of things. Here's the special news. I've got one slot for the Performance Center open. If you're interested in going, I'll make you a deal. I've been authorized to say that, but I have one slot for the Performance Center open. If you want to go, you got to get in touch with me quickly, and we can get you into that program. Whether you go to the Mountain Drive or not, that's a second issue. We can offer you that if you want to go. But if you want to do the Performance Center, I got one slot. Call me. I'll make you a good deal on that one. On the 22nd is Track Night America. Rich and Damien are running that program. This will be our 3rd Track Night America. The first one we had about 8 cars out. Second we had 10 or 12 cars out. We just expect to see that really grow. That's at Sebring, and that is really good. That's taken off. I've got to go out. I'm going to go take a look at that and see what that has to offer. And then we have 2 long-range programs. Just let me get them on your planner. The Bourbon Trail Rendezvous Drive is through the CCA. That's out there on June 12th. And then on July the 18th is our Burmos collection up in Jacksonville and tour. We're going to go see this collection and tour around that northern edge of Florida, up there around the Jacksonville area. So all the folks up in the Jacksonville area, come on out and play as well. So a lot of things on the planning board. Drives into the Panhandle. We were talking about Nashville this past week. We were talking about a lot of things. So a lot of good drives coming up that we've got into the works, and it takes some time to plan them out. But we're really looking forward to putting on some of these getaways, if you will. Until then, hey, come on out, have some fun. Local Cars and Coffees and those kind of things coming up. See the schedule down below. You'll see everything that I just talked about and probably some more. So until then, I'm going to tell you, happy motoring. See ya. Thanks, guys. Bye now.